So I'll video this so you can see all the branches that were left behind by this crew. Besides for they dropped everything on the frangipani and it's busted down, but I kind of expected that because they're not responsible. But they could have cleaned up all these sticks that they left, obviously laying in my bromeliads all over the ground. Branches that they cut and left dangling in the tree, and you can see them now because they're turning brown. None of that stuff was there. This is all cleaned up. Branches, branches, branches everywhere, hanging up in a tree, dead branches. Yeah, couldn't see that, could you? Yeah, just branches everywhere, 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 branches. Just look up the street. You can see all this stuff laying everywhere, all over my neighbor's front yard. Everywhere, everywhere. This stuff is everywhere. Everywhere I look, they left branches behind. Every single square inch. Oh, somebody pulled that branch down when I walked up here earlier. This branch was hanging from the tree. Could have walked into it, hit your face. Look at the branches they left up in that orange tree. There's a bunch. Yep, they left stuff everywhere.